Have you ever wondered why fireflies glow in the dark? That tiny light is not magic. It's actually science. Inside a firefly's body, there is a special chemical reaction happening. It involves a substance called luciferin, an enzyme called luciferase, oxygen, and energy. When these combine, they produce light. But here's the amazing part. This light doesn't create heat. It's called cold light, meaning almost all the energy becomes light instead of heat. That's why fireflies can glow without burning themselves. But they don't just glow for fun. Fireflies use their light to communicate. Each species has its own flashing pattern, like a secret code. Some flashes mean, "I'm here." Others mean, "I'm looking for a mate." And in some cases, they even use light to trick other fireflies. Yes, some species mimic signals to attract and prey on others. Nature can be beautiful and dangerous at the same time. So the next time you see a firefly glowing in the dark, remember, you're not just looking at a tiny light. You're witnessing one of nature's most beautiful reactions happening in real time.